Hello children, we are going to start with the new topic. As we are starting the new topic, let us see some examples. 2a plus 3a equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5a. 7b minus 4b equals to 3b. Because 7b minus 4b, that is 7 minus 4 is 3, so it is 3b. 3p into p square equals to 3 into p cube. Why p cube here? Because by laws of indices, p into p square equals to p raised to power 1 plus 2 equals to p raised to power 3. Similarly, 5m square into 3m square. 5 into 3 is 15. M square into m square will be m raised to power 2 plus 2, that is m raised to power 4. Next example, 2x plus 5y. Here asterisk mark is given, that is for multiplication. So we will call it as into 3 by x. Now here we multiply 3 to the bracket given here, 2x plus 5y into 3. So first term, that is 2x into 3 will be 6x plus 5y into 3 will be 15y. Upon in the denominator only x will come. Next example, 3x square plus 4y in one bracket, again asterisk sign, that is multiplication sign, into 2x plus 3y. So here first term of the first bracket multiply by the second bracket, that is 3x square into 2x plus 3y. Then second term of the first bracket multiply the second bracket. So here we will get 4y into 2x plus 3y. When we simplify these brackets, we will get for this term 6x cube plus 9x square y, plus sign is here, and for next term 4y into 2x plus 3y equals to 8x into y plus 12y square. I am sure these examples you have understood what we have already studied earlier. Now let us come to the new topic, that is known as division of polynomial. In this, let us understand what is polynomial. If index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is called as a polynomial. The examples of the same are x square plus 2x plus 3. If it is, what is the index form here? That is raised to power 2. It is a whole number. You know whole number starts from 0, 1, 2 onwards. So another example here is 3y cube plus 2y square plus y plus 5. This is another example of polynomial in one variable. One variable means only y term is used in second example. In first term we have used x variable. As polynomials are a specific algebraic expressions, hence the operations of addition, subtraction and multiplication on polynomials are similar to those performed on algebraic expressions, as we have seen the above examples in the beginning. So here also we can do addition, subtraction and multiplication also. Here you see the example of the same. Here it is 3x square minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square. Again we do the same method. First term from the first bracket multiply second bracket. So here you will get 3x square into 4x cube minus 3x square minus second term is minus 2x Minus 2x we will take here, multiply the second bracket like this. You will get minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square. If you simplify this term, you will get 12x raised to power 5 minus 9x raised to power 4. When you multiply minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square, you will get minus 8x raised to power 4, as minus 2x into 4x cube is minus 2 into 4 minus 8, x into x cube is x raised to power 4, plus minus into minus here term will be plus, 3 2s are 6, x into x square will be x cube. Thus, when we simplify the middle terms here, you will get first term like that only 12x raised to power 5 minus 9x raised to power 4, 8 into x raised to power 4 is minus 17x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube as it is. So the answer will be as given 12x raised to power 5 minus 17x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube. Another term in this topic is given as degree of polynomial. The greatest index of variable in the polynomial. For example, here 3x square plus 4x is 2. Your greatest index is 2 raised to power. So here it is 2. So degree of this will be 2. Similarly, in this polynomial, 7x raised to power 3 plus 5x plus 4x raised to power 5 plus 2x square, your greatest degree is 5 of the variable. So the degree of polynomial here is 5. The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Next topic in this chapter is given as to divide the monomial by a monomial. You know the terms. Monomial means 1, binomial means 2, trinomials means 3 or more, then we call it as polynomial. So here only one term is there. This is known monomial. 15p raised to power cube divided by 3p, that is also monomial. So here when we do, as we do the division method, here we are doing 15 into p cube. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 term will come in the quotient and p into p square will be p cube. So if I multiply 3p into 5p square, will get 15p cube. And division method we know, we have to subtract the term here. So 15p cube minus 15p cube will be 0 and the quotient will be 5p square. Another example here, to divide the polynomial by a monomial. Means polynomial means more than 2 terms are there. Here you see, this is the term given here, 15y raised to power 4 plus 10y raised to power 3 minus 3y square. 3 terms are there. Divide by 5y square. Method remains the same, but here you see if 3 terms are there, we will think of the first term only here. So again, 5 into 3 if I do, it will be 15. Y square, then if I multiply by y square, it will be y raised to power 4. The explanation for the step explanation is given on this side. 5y square into 3y square will be 15y raised to power 4. So here we'll take 15y raised to power 4. When we minus 8, it will become 0 and the quotient will come 3y square. Next term is, then we'll bring the next two terms down. It will be plus 10y cube. We have to concentrate on this number. So 5 2s are 10. So 10y square into 2y will be 10y cube. Here it is the explanation given here. So we'll do the subtraction point. And here 10y cube minus 10y cube will be 0. quotient will be 2y plus 2y. Next, here very important, minus 3y square is coming here. Now here it is 5y square. Okay, so if I multiply, what I get 3. So I will do, here the explanation is given as 3y square if I multiply by minus sign. Whatever sign is here, the answer must be the same. So when you subtract, the sign will change, it will be opposite sign. So when you are multiplying 5y square by minus 3 upon 5, 5 will get cancelled. What is left is minus 3y square. So here what we will do, in the quotient part, we will write minus 3 by 5. Therefore, these are shown in the boxes. Minus 3y square, sign will change here to plus, plus minus becomes 0. This term is known as the quotient. So your quotient is 3y square plus 2y minus 3 by 5. Remainder last what we get is 0. So this is to divide the polynomial by monomial. More such type of problems we will see in the exercise. So in the next video, we will see practice 10.1. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you.